Here's how to trigger a breakpoint in any method matching a specific name. So, we have 4 different method calls with the same name, and we wish to place a breakpoint in each one. One way of doing that would be to F12 into each one and just place a breakpoint manually. However, we are going to do it a little more efficiently. Go to Debug, Windows, Breakpoints, click New, Function Breakpoint. Type in the name of the method where you want your breakpoint to appear. In our case, it's going to be WriteLine. Now you can make this a little more specific. You can specify the class you expect it to be under, you can specify the namespace, and you can also add in the arguments that you expect it to have. In our case, we're going to keep it simple and just leave the method name. Now, if you were to run the code in debug mode and click on the plus icon near your function breakpoint, you will see that we have a breakpoint generated for the first method, the second one, and the third one. However, the fourth call is missing. The reason being is that it's an external method from the .NET framework itself. In order to debug it, you will need to enable external code debugging. Go to Tools, Options. Under General Debugging section, uncheck the option labeled Enable Just My Code and click OK. Now if you run the app again, you'll get a break on all the previous methods and the external method as well. And there you go. You now know how to use functional breakpoints.